Ladies and gentlemen, this is Vieira, my buddy Vieira, wonderful supporter. Let's show him some love. Connect, connect, connect. Let's go. Stop. Pause. What are you saying, Gator? You just did this one. I know I did, but this creator is supporting me, and he's gifted amazing Amanda. Her content's coming up next. But I just wanted to know why you're not connecting to these ones that I showing you that they're supporting me. See if they'll support you. Let's dive into Amanda's content now.
The bottom line is, no one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise. Nobody's coming to tell you to apply for that job that you've always dreamt about. Nobody's coming to write the business plan for you. It's up to you.
Time to take a bath. Yeah, you're a dirty girl. You're a dirty girl. Yes, you are. You need to get all purty now. You need to get all purty. Woohoo! I'm pinning you. You are the first. You are pinned. So everyone knows who came in first. How's Vern doing? How's Vern doing? Hong Kong, you damn goose. This is her first time in the bathtub itself for a whole week. She's been taking baths outside. And I'm like, you need another bath. You're still dirty. This is her first time she's been inside for a whole week. Because she's been outside, huh? Yeah, you've been playing in the water and in the mud and everything today. I was like, you know what? You're getting a fucking bath. Hello, MK. Hello, Vern. How y'all doing? Yeah, I've had a great day. For the last 2 days, I have been canning, jarring, whatever you want to call it, spaghetti sauce. So with my greenhouse that I had, oh my God, like 6-7 boxes of fucking tomatoes. So I peeled the tomatoes. I stewed them for 10 hours. Made sure that they're all cooked down for some spaghetti sauce. And then today I canned them all, jarred them all, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I've had a great day. Sometimes she likes the shower, sometimes she doesn't. Yep, that's a goose. That's a goose. She's in her bathtub. She's gonna take a bath. Affleck. Yep, this is her bathtub. Yep, she got her very own bathtub. What's the goose's name? Her name is Simone. Simone the goose. They're spoiled rotten just like they should be. Yes, they are spoiled. Oh my God. They are spoiled. I have a lot of, this is also where I do a lot of my canning and jarring and extra stuff for prepping and stuff I normally don't disclose. But yeah, I'm a prepper from hell. So I do a lot of canning and jarring. Those are not even half of what I have. But yeah, this is all my extra stuff over at this house. God, I got enough houses. Too many houses. But yeah, I've been canning. If MK and Vern don't believe me, I've been canning and jarring. I've been doing spaghetti sauce for the last 2 days. Spaghetti sauce. Let me quick do this. Yes, I hear you, Goosey Goose. I'm glad you're staying in there. That's awesome. This is one of my babies. Hi. Hi. Oh, really? Oh, really? I forgot the, yeah. I forgot the type of kitty, the name. But they are the most energetic cats ever, and they climb curtains and everything, you definitely gotta, they're troublemaker cats. This one here is the really, really old cat. Yes, I know you guys don't get along. My goodness. My goodness. Yes. Let me drain out the bathtub. Do you want me to get her out of the way? You want me to get her out? There you go. She's out. Yeah. You're like, yay. Sorry, the camera's moving all over. I'm washing my hands because my hand was in that water. I'm washing my hand one-handed. Yeah. Yeah, you guys. Woohoo! Big girl. Big girl. Big girl. All right, there you go. You're still going to go out. All right. Yeah. You get dried in here, though. Yes, I'll take the troublemaker out. It's the only cat she doesn't like is the troublemaker. All right. There you go. Yes, this floor, Fawny, this floor is concrete. Over there in the corner, underneath the blanket and shit, I have flooring for this floor. But Fawny gets to meet everybody else. There's Gratch. His name is Gratch. Hi, dear Gratch. Tonight's a spaghetti night. Just a spaghetti night. But homemade spaghetti sauce from all the stuff that we jarred and canned, whatever you want to call it today. Oh, my God. Well, y'all have a good night. Thank you for coming. I love you guys very, very much. And give each other a kiss for me. As I say, this is not my life. This is the cat's life. So this is... Well, actually, no, this was the fucking goose live. I'm sorry. Well, either way. Kung Fu Kitties and Goosey says, signing off. Bye-bye.
Bag set. Bird is ready for deposit. You've completed your mission. Well done.
GG's.
You're safe. You lost the enemy trackers.